Hey everyone, today let's talk about the how to modify email templates in AuctionWorx. In short, email templates use placeholders to send personalized, automated messages. Now, let's start. In the admin panel, open the email templates section. Step 1, placeholder in email template, click on the edit button. Here, we can see the email content that includes both placeholders and static text. Also, we can preview the email by clicking the preview button. Here you can see that how our original email looked. Here, you can see placeholders such as detail title and detail ID. And here is the placeholder values as you can see here. In the admin panel that navigates to setup, modify the placeholder value, as I'm doing here. Then save. After save the changes, you can check placeholder here #friendly site name. Then preview the email to see the changes made in the admin panel. Step 2, modify the email content. If a user wants to add a note to this specific email, they can do so directly here. Now, preview the final result. And if the user wants to add the logo or company name or other detail, then they can use email header and email footer. Here, you can add the logo you want to display in the email. And save. Next is step 3, preview the email. Click on edit button. Now preview the email by clicking the preview button. Here are the changes we made to the email header. To learn more about email templates, you can refer to the email template help section. Alright everyone, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative videos.